Ever wondered about the challenges in designing microservices for financial technology solutions? It's more than just taking a big software application and chopping it into smaller bits. There are many complexities to consider. For instance, a key challenge is ensuring that data remains consistent across different services. Each microservice operates on its own, and multiple services may need to access and modify the same data. Guaranteeing this data consistency can be a pretty tough task. Another difficulty is managing the complicated business logic. FinTech apps often have elaborate workflows and rules, and distributing these across multiple services can result in a confusing mix of dependencies. Yet, despite these hurdles, the advantages of using microservices are hard to ignore. They offer improved scalability, flexibility, and a quicker delivery process. So, while designing microservices can be riddled with challenges, the rewards are certainly worth the effort. Let's delve into these challenges and rewards in more detail in our discussion ahead. Let's explore the Saga pattern. It's a design model used in FinTech microservices for dealing with distributed transactions. Imagine an online banking application. When a transaction takes place, there are multiple steps like debiting from account and crediting to another. Now, think about a situation where there's an interruption after the debit but before the credit. This could cause issues. The Saga pattern helps in these cases. It makes certain that each transaction is either completely finished or compensated if there's an error. For instance, if there's a failure in crediting, it would trigger a refund to the debited account, keeping the system stable. So by dividing the transaction into several smaller ones, each managed by a different microservice and coordinating them using Saga, the application maintains data consistency even when there are failures. Therefore, the Saga pattern is a valuable asset for managing complex transactions in FinTech applications. So, what have we learned today? We've delved into the complex world of FinTech microservices design, acknowledging the challenges it presents. We've seen how design patterns, especially the Saga pattern, can be instrumental in tackling these obstacles. The Saga pattern, with its ability to manage transactions and roll back failures, proves invaluable in the FinTech landscape. Remember, the right design pattern can make all the difference when designing microservices for FinTech applications. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more insights on microservices design.